Come here, Trin. Stand in front of the...
Oh.
Miss Trinity, what's today?
Today is Christmas Eve, December 24th.
And are you having a good day so far?
Yes, so far I really like my presents, which I think I am using one, I think. Oh wait, no. Well, let me not. Oh, but I really do like these gloves. They keep me nice and warm.
You look so pretty.
Oh, thank you. Do you have any more questions?
What was your favorite present?
My favorite present, spending time with my family. That was my favorite present.
You're the best, Trin.
Do you have any other questions?
Why is Channing hitting that? Oh, now he's eating the car.
Oh, yes, he loves to eat things. Oh, okay, ready?
And now look at this movie star.
Oh, it's on, it's on. I gotta finish my movie.
Okay.
Look at me.
Say hi, Gav.
Hi.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What a good-looking guy. Wow. This guy's a movie star right here. Love you, Gav.